this morning, the firestorm officials had feared becoming a reality.
Massive wildfires continue to burn out of control around Los Angeles.
This morning, a massive and deadly wildfire emergency.
Major infernos destroying more than 1,000 homes and businesses.
So if you were to ask me a week ago or a couple days ago even, Taylor, if you were to vision what your 2025 start would look like, would it be this? Absolutely not. Yesterday and today have been a really dark day here in our area and at our agency. I shared in a couple short form videos that our roots here at Jackson & Jackson Insurance were in Pasadena. Our agency was really started and developed in Pasadena for decades. And so a lot of our clients are in Pasadena, Altadena. If you're not familiar with that is, look it up on a map. But we had a lot of clients around there. And as you know, there's a lot of fires going on right now, which meant there was a lot of our insurance homes in the area. And yesterday, I just didn't know. I didn't put two and two together until the calls started coming in, one after another, after another. My house burned to the ground. My house burned to the ground. My house burned to the ground. And our employee, May, who handles all of these clients, she does all of our home and auto, just was having such a hard time talking to each one of them, sympathizing, empathizing, helping, seeing what we could do. There's not a whole lot we can do. And I offered to help. I'm there to help. I've been taking the calls today, as May's taking a day up away from the office. But it's just been one after another. And man, do I feel helpless. We are here to help them rebuild. We are here to help them make sure they're financially taken care of. Thankfully, they all have good policies. That's what we do. We want to make sure that they're covered, and we will walk them through that process, but that's only a part of it. I mean, they lost their memories. They've lost everything. And to talk to these people that are just like dumbfounded at what happened, or they're just so confused and they're like numb to the whole thing still, like just perplexed at what this could possibly happen, because a lot of these homes, keep in mind, they're not in rural high up in the hill stuff. Like some of these homes are in just like a normal city that you and I live in, and they never thought there'd be a fire like this. But with the winds and the fire, it's just been crazy. And with how hard insurance already is to buy, this just, this is going to make it 10 times worse. And a lot of the news, and you'll see a lot of the stuff right now, is that it's the insurance companies pulled out. They're excluding wildfire. They're doing all this stuff. They're painting the insurance companies as bad people. And I want to tell you that it's not the insurance companies. It's the state. The state wouldn't allow these insurance companies to charge the proper rate for a homeowner's policy that they thought they needed to charge. So a lot of these companies started to stop writing insurance in California. So State Farm, you see all these news right now about them like stopping, canceling insurance and stuff. It's not because they saw that there was a fire coming and they wanted to get out of it. Now they do have actuaries and they do have a lot of smart people that could see that there's a chance that something like this could happen, and they're not properly charging enough. So like any business would do, if you're not charging what you need to be charging for your products, you're not going to write that insurance, or you're not going to sell that product in that area anymore. And that's what they did. And a lot of people are going to paint these insurance companies as bad people, and they're not. It's just one of those things that it's a freak thing. We didn't know, but we have now, I don't know, we're 15, 20 homes of our insureds that are just gone. And it's not going to be quick to get all this rebuilt. The fire is still 0% contained as of now. It's January 9th at 7 o'clock. Let me see. So I'll share with you guys a little bit of the information on these fires. So Eaton Fire, which is all that Altadena one that's wrecked all of our clients' homes. The fire is up to 13,690 acres on fire, 0% containment. 0% containment. And then the Pacific Palisades one is even worse. Man, we've had family and friends, celebrities, you see all this stuff losing everything down there. I mean, their whole downtown got wiped. It's insane. That's at 19,978 acres burning. 6% containment. This was at 0. So they've contained 6% of it, which has been, 2 days now, 2 or 3 days. So this is just absolutely insane. There's other fires now have started as well. There's 2 or 3 other smaller ones. But the Eaton one and this Palisades one is the biggest ones, and they're dominating everything. So, I just didn't expect 2025 to start this way.